time here, I would love for you to subscribe because this channel is all about inspiration and creativity. Share your creativity here because life is a journey we make together. I got this all-purpose ink from TSC Designs, and this stuff is incredible. I have had the best time. I did some of my lace. So today I gathered up everything I could possibly get my hands on. Well, this has been the coolest day ever. Pink and green. So this next technique that they suggest is putting some ink in water. It's a really pretty pink. Yep. And I like that. That's sweet. Now when I dye lace, I use these all-purpose inks. They are absolutely fabulous, and they comes with this little dabber here that works really well, and the aloe vera gel technique I found is just great. So what I'm going to do here is make sure that my stuff is clean, so I'm going to go wash it. I have two palettes that I use, one for my all-purpose inks and one for my alcohol inks. So you don't want to use your alcohol ink palette for any of your multi-purpose inks because your colors will be off. So what I like to do is I like to use the aloe vera. Doesn't take very much. And since I'm only going to be doing a little bit, I'm just going to use one pump. Now there's two types of aloe vera gel. There's the pure aloe vera that works really nice on fabric. It doesn't kind of get it wet and saturate, and the colors kind of can bleed. Now the one that has water in it, which this does, you just have to be a little bit more careful and know what you want the end result to be. So in this case with the lace, I don't really care that it has any water in it. Sometimes I like it to bleed together, and I'm okay with that. But on fabric and on something that's really precise, I would use the aloe vera that is 100%. I'm going to add a couple of drops is all it takes. You can add more if needed, but I would suggest in the beginning just start out light. This is a really pretty mint green. I also have a dark green, but this is nice mint green. If I want to darken it up, I can do so, but not with the same pipette. You'll mix your colors and then they won't be true. I like the softer colors. In this case, for my sewing room, is the pink and the green. Now you can also use your paint brushes. These multi-purpose inks clean up super easy. They're permanent when they're set, completely dried. Now you can also use these inks straight. Just depends on the look that you're looking for. I kind of like the softer, more muted look, so that's why I like the aloe vera. So I'll let this dry and see how I like that. Now I have a little extra green, and I'm kind of all done with my green here. So that's why I like to have other pieces of lace that I'm working on, or that I can use that color on. So I've been working on this piece, and I think it would be sweet to have the green on. Now you can also use your alcohol inks, but they're much more intense. They dry faster. But it's definitely worth doing. It's really pretty. It's just so fun. I love it. And I have had the best time dyeing lace. And it is really fun to find a project that I can incorporate some of the dyed lace